Plenty of water in Wilmington, North Carolina, and Wrightsville Beach out there right at the water's edge. Meteorologist Mike Seidel is there. Mike, maybe the height of it happening for you right now, huh?
Yes, we are starting to get a little bit of a reprieve from the tide. Well, I say that, and here comes another surge of the Atlantic up here eating away at the dune line, which, as I've been reiterating, it's a very, very nice dune line. I mean, sometimes they're not very wide, they're not very healthy, they're not very high. They just have some sea oats that looks like they've just been planted. They probably have. But what we've seen up and down the coast here, and I would assume up and down the coast of North Carolina, generally south of Cape Fear, is a lot of beach erosion, big cuts in the dune here. And when you don't have a dune, then you just have a big cut in the beach, and we're seeing some of that down there to the east of the dune line. Still raining very, very hard, still getting persistent gusts, upwards of 50 miles an hour. As what's left of the eye wall, you can take a look at the radar, and here it comes. You can just feel the rain just pelting. And this is what we're talking about. These are some of these squalls, and this is what's causing the problems inland now that the flooding has turned deadly. About 60 miles from here, 2 folks caught in the car. Flash flood watches and warnings continue through at least later on this evening. And we're going to be dealing with this heavy rain and gusty wind for at least, 4 or 5 more hours. Now, the wind eventually is going to go from southeast, which is onshore, to southwest, like you've seen down there in Charleston, and that'll help with the water. And this is going to be our last high tide, and our really only high tide is concerned because the wind's going to blow offshore. The storm's going to continue to weaken and pull away tonight and Sunday morning. But I cannot even see about a block down the beach. That's how hard it is raining right now. It is just pouring out of the sky, horizontal sheets of stinging rain as the Atlantic continues to take away Wrightsville Beach. By the way, water temperature 78 degrees. Yeah, you're thinking about October, you're trying to get away. A little plug here for these beaches here with the Gulf Stream. These water temperatures in the upper 70s, not too shabby. And we'll get the sun back out, if not late tomorrow. Certainly, first of the week looks good here in Wrightsville Beach, although the surf will still be up somewhat. Mike Pettis will keep you updated. Another few hours of this. Things will begin to ease off this evening. Jim Kay and Tori will join our coverage here from Wrightsville at 5 p.m. Eastern here at the beach. Mike Pettis.
All right, very good stuff. Mike, thank you very much for that. And you were talking about that sunshine. It's really trying to peek through the clouds here in